Baby, please, will you be my vow?
Oh my God, he was expecting this. Thank you so much.
My brother, congratulations.
Nice to meet you, sir.
I heard you when you were asking her if she will be your vow.
Yes. How is that your business?
It's not my business. What happened to the vow you used last year? Don't blink me. Are you on the best side? I understand your situation, my brother. I understand. You are jumping from one relationship to another all in the name of vow. Are you trying to say God make you a human being instead of frog? And you like fish they throw inside hot fire. You gotta do things in a classical manner. Be celebrating vow, be doing it one place to another. Don't settle down with one.
Don't mind them, let's go.
Cho. Run your mouth like you're doing motor saw.
Papa Ojo.
Petenya.
Are you my village people?
I'm not your village people. Are the two of you afraid of settling down? You just start laughing as if you ain't laughing gas.
Baby, who is this?
Don't mind them.
And you, is this your head that is deceiving you?
My brother.
Who is your brother? Don't let me wipe you with this thing. Me, I look like your brother.
Papa Ojo, me.
Who is you? You're changing it by the name of Valentine. You're looking at who flog you.
Baby, please don't mind those village people. Please, let's go. Don't mind them.
No, I think I should go with them.